G'day everyone, David from Explorers again. Today's app tip, a 9.3 feature update, is range ring width and colour. So if you use range rings or you don't even know if you don't know what range rings are, or you have no idea about range rings, there was an earlier tutorial about range rings and it would be worth having a quick look at that. Basically, these range rings are emanating from your current position. I've got 5 1 kilometre range rings turned on the screen. That's not new, that's not the setting that we've just changed, but if we go into settings up here and we go into map screen and we scroll down a little bit, I've taken the word current position away from in front of range rings. It used to say current position range rings and current position range rings distance, so I've just made it a little bit shorter. But the new settings is this one, the width, so let's go to max, and the colour. So you can set whatever colour you like. Let's go to aquamarine. So when we come out here now, we should see thicker lines in an aquamarine colour. They're still set exactly the same 1 kilometre range distance, but we've got a much thicker line now, and as you zoom away, you'll be able to see those thicker lines at a certain point. Obviously, they're all going to cluster together because it's too close. But these range rings are particularly good for knowing exactly how far it is to a position. Again, have a look at the range rings app tip, and you can set the colours as you see fit and the width of the line. There's many settings in there from tiny to max. Let me know if you need if you want it more or less. I've set the numbers to what I think are particularly reasonable for visibility. Hope that helps. Let us know how you go with it.